How to find recently added contacts on iPhone using shortcuts. So go ahead and open your shortcut application. In this homepage, click on the plus icon on the upper right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the search bar and type in contacts. Click on find contacts and tap on none beside the word sort by. In this additional drop-down menu, choose creation date. After that, click on the oldest first and change it to latest first. Now toggle on the limit, and you can use the plus or minus icon to adjust the limit of your shortcut. Now tap again on the search bar and type in show results. Click on that, tap on the auto name on the top, choose rename and rename it however you like. Tap done on the top right, click on the shortcut to run it, and it will show you the contact you added recently. Now tap and hold the shortcut, click on share, click add to home screen. This will be added. Close this app, and in my home screen, you can see the recently added contacts, and once you click it, it will show the results. So that is how to find recently added contacts on iPhone using shortcuts. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.